I'll be dang, they took it down. Seriously? I got a copy of it. Hang on, guys. USGS just took down the whole thing. It's now gone. Let me make sure here. Let me click on their web link, backdoor. See what they're doing. They still have it on a 5 as a 5.2 on their back door. All right, so we're going to have to use the back door. Looks like something's wrong with their web page. All right, USGS said there was a 5.2 Bonin Islands region. This earthquake took place 30 minutes ago. They've got it 75 miles northeast of CHI Shama at 6 miles in depth. Hey, Karen, glad you're here, sweetie. All right, I can't get it to open up on their page. So I've got that, and you see it, totally see it, okay? It's there, unless they're downgrading it. So that's all I can say. Hey, KK. So we're going to go back to USGS, and guys, it's gone. It's gone. All gone. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. But when I click on the back door here, let me go do that and show you. Wait a minute, let me go click on the back door. Okay. These are my notes, and I'm going to go through the back door. USGS just kicking in. Okay. It's gone off their page, but it's still there on the back door. Hopefully you guys can see that, right? Can you see that, KK? Karen, can you see that? All right, let me go to EMSC. Now, EMSC has sent out a tweet saying it was a 5.2. And I opened their web page up, and they've got it at a 5.0. So we're going to refresh EMSC. I don't know what's going on with these earthquakes. We're going to go out of EMSC and come back into EMSC. And let's see if it's there. Now they've got it at a 5.2. You saw the 5.1. Now they've got it at a 5.2. I've got to copy this page and put it in the notes. I don't know what's going on with USGS. I have no idea. They took it down. I was quick enough this time to catch it. Samson. Hey, get out of my wires. You don't unplug my phone. My computer. I won't be able to do my report. Okay. Upgraded after USGS post. And paste in this link. This makes no sense, guys. I'm going to go back to USGS. I'm going to shut it totally down. Go back to USGS and see. They make no sense. There it is. Look at this. It's back. It's back. They put it back. What do you think? Seriously. You saw it was off the page. All right, there's USGS. They've got it at a 5.2. Bonin Islands, Japan region, 75 miles northeast of CHI Shama. All right, at 6 miles in depth. They still have it at 6 miles in depth. Yes. Now, this earthquake first came across on the GFC. So let me take you to that webpage. See, they got caught trying to take it down. That's what they did. Sorry, guys. Got you that time. He's beautiful dog. He's part lab and part golden. He is my service dog. He follows me. So let me go ahead and open up GFC for you. A little further. There you go. GFC has got it at a 5.0. Bonin Islands, Japan. They've got it at 6 miles in depth. Now remember, EMSC had it at a 5.0 before USGS upgraded theirs to a 5.2. All right, so we do have that. All links are on the description box. And beginning of the video, USGS took the whole thing down. It went away. All right, so let's go take a look at this earthquake. It was 141 miles, volcano was. 141 miles away from this earthquake. So let's go find it. And I want to see who else. Ah, goody, Australia posted. So let me go ahead and pull up Australia, if they have it. We're going to see if they've got it. And I'll show you where the volcanoes are. Now, guys, they've got a bunch of volcanoes going off in Indonesia. All right. One shot, oh, what was it? 52,000 feet in the air. Samson is my service dog. All right. Hey, Tote. So let's go take a look. We're going to hide this. I want to pull up Australia. They don't have Australia up yet. Okay, so let's go pull up and see where this earthquake took place. What do you say? Pulling it up now. GFC was the primary source for this earthquake. All right. So they're going to use all the numbers from GFC on this earthquake. And let me shrink this. There, okay. Oh, you serious? Okay, guys, you tell me, please, you tell me which one looks the closest to this earthquake. Just type a color in. Let me know. That's the earthquake. They're saying that is the closest volcano right there. And they're saying it's 141 miles. What's that? Hold on, guys. Hold on, hold on. Disaster alert just kicked in and said it was a 5.2. So we'll go ahead and pull that up. To me, that looks like it was a red one. I'll go back to it, I promise. But I want to get disaster alert. It just sent out a tweet. All right. I don't want to take your survey. Take me to the earthquake, please. It should switch over automatically. And there it goes. All right. Let me go ahead and read this. An earthquake of magnitude 5.2 at a depth of 6.1 miles in depth, 6.2 miles, has occurred 121 kilometers northeast of CHI Shama, Japan, as reported by the National Earthquake Information Center, the NEIC of the USGS. And like I always say, it's always a preliminary. You can go back in 3 weeks or 4 weeks and check this. It'll still say preliminary. They never say confirmed. Okay? Never. Let me put this into the notes. Disaster alert. Alert. And paste it. And get rid of their silly commercials. Don't need commercials. We definitely get enough of those. All right. That is in there. Okay, now they're saying the closest volcano was 141. Let's go find that and show you. Now, guys, as I was showing you this, you tell me what color you think this is closest to this volcano. I mean earthquake. Okay, right there is the earthquake. I'm looking at this one, this one, this one, and this one. You tell me what color you think it is. They're saying it is black and extinct. Do you think this one is the closest to this volcano? They all look about the same to me. All right? Yeah, that's what I was saying too. So I'm having to keep an eye on this. Oh, hold on, guys. The thing is going off crazy. 2.6, 2.6. Okay. So to me, it looks yellow. Yeah. doesn't look black and extinct. All right, a red. Looks red. It could either be the red one or the green one, in my opinion. That's my opinion. You are going to get what they say on the notes here. I'm just showing you my opinion only, and that doesn't count for much. All right? All right. So, let me close the whole thing. I'm afraid to close the apps down because they'll probably disappear. USGS, for those of you who just came in, completely took this earthquake off. I had to go through the back door and click on the back door link for it to come up. And for those who are here, Karen will tell you that, and KK will tell you that. I had to go through the back door to get this. So we're opening up USGS again. And there it sits. Finally, they're keeping it there. All right, USGS said it was a 5.2. Bonin Island region. 75 miles northeast of Shichishima, Japan. Okay? Hey, they took it down. I had no other way to prove it was there except punch the back door and get in. No other way to prove it. All right. It's the only, gosh, guys, I keep saying the back door. I know you think it's funny, and all right, and this would be, and look, they lost. They're asking people here. EMSC is, did you feel this? Did you feel this? Did you feel this? They're not putting it up. They just asked people if they felt it before they put it up. All right. As you can see, the 5.2 is here. Click. We're opening it up. They did have this at a 5.0. So did GFZ. Now, EMSC has got it, Bonin Islands region. They've got it 569 miles south of Tokyo. And now they've got it at 60 kilometers. So they upgraded the depth. USGS has got it at 6 miles in depth. So let me write down the depth on this one. It's like, 60 kilometers. They've got it at 37 miles, 37.2 miles in depth. Okay? All right, let me copy these links. Get these links into YouTube before it disappears. And then I'll pull up Australia if they'll let me. Okay, I'm copying them now. Copy. Well, I guess before I go into YouTube and post this, we'll go see if they'll let me into Australia. Australia, they said, has got it at a 5.0. And so is GFC. So let me go get some information and we will check this out. See if they've got it. Yeah, I know I can't open more than 50 things at a time. Are you there? Nope. Guys, they've only got one earthquake center on here, and right now it is EMSC. They've only got the one earthquake center here, and they still have it as a 5.0 on that page. All right. So we're not going to be able to copy Australia. I'm sorry. If they ever put it up there, I will bring it to you, I promise. But I want to show you it's there before I leave. I don't know if I can't enlarge this, but maybe you can see it. Because Australia's got it at a 5.0 at 20 miles in depth. All right, I don't know if you can see. It's too blurry, too tiny. I'm sorry. It even looks out of focus there. All right. All right, guys. I'm going to go ahead and post this into YouTube, and you will have the links. Copy. And go to YouTube. And now let's see who's here and what you guys are saying. My nose itches. And edit video. And come on. Paste. Want to make sure I got everybody. Disaster alert, USGS, EMSC 5.0, 5.2. Now, EMSC put the link up on their page as a 5.0 without a tweet. Okay? Just GFC estimated release of power, since they're only using the GFC because they were the primary source for this earthquake. The estimated release of power for this earthquake was only 477 tons of TNT. That's because GFC, the Germany Earthquake Center, was the primary data source. Okay, it'll have longitude, latitude, USGS, EMSC, and disaster alert on there. I am now going out. And I am out of both. Let me see who's here. And we'll go back. And just check one more time, because USGS may take it down again. All right, let's see. Okay, we got KK. Thank you for coming in. Jeffrey, you're a doll baby. Thanks for coming in. Karen, if you're still here, thank you so much for coming in. You're definitely awesome. And for KK, yes, Samson is my service dog. He has been my service dog for the last 6 years. If something happens and I fall down or if I need something, he hears me coughing, he'll bring me my inhaler because I do have asthma. And I tell him, go get the phone. If it's ringing, Samson, the phone's ringing, go get it. He'll go right to where the phone is, pick it up, and bring it to me. Okay? He does not like me going without shoes. Yes, it is precious. He doesn't like me going without shoes. If I go without shoes whatsoever, he brings them to me without even asking. He just pounces down the hallway with 2 pairs of shoes in his mouth. He is a good boy. Okay? All right, I'm just checking here. I want to make sure. I wanted to put USGS up. I was just killing a little time telling you about Samson. But we're going to go check USGS one more time, make sure they're still there. USGS still has it here. And we're pulling it up. USGS said it was a 5.2 Bonin Island region, 75 miles northeast of Chichibanga, right, Chichishama, at 6 miles in depth. Guys, I'm getting slap happy. I need to get to bed. All right. EMSC had it at a 5.0 on their page, no tweet. I copied it. And we're going to go show you. They now have it as a 5.2. There it goes. So they upgraded from the 5.0 to a 5.2. Now they have got it in a weird place. They've got it Bonin Island region, Japan, 569 miles south of Tokyo at 37.2 miles in depth. Okay. All right. I'm going to let you guys go. I'm going to say good night. I'm going to say sweet dreams. Back to regular earthquakes tomorrow. I'm taking Sunday off. I'm spending time here. I had a great time today. I read the Bible. I meditated. I fasted. And I thank God for what we have. And what we have is you guys. All right? You are my family. And I said prayers for you guys. All right? And please be safe out there. Okay? God bless each and every one of you. All right? Sending you guys much love. 2 thumbs up. Help a neighbor if you can. Call somebody. Check on them. You guys are totally, totally awesome. Easter blessings to you. 2 weeks to go. Oh, thank you, sweetie. I appreciate it. David, thank you for coming in. All right? You be safe out there. All of you. Sending much of, hey, Bill, how are you, babe? Oh, God, now I'm getting goosebumps. I talk about God and I get goosebumps. Sending you guys big hugs, okay? Big hugs. God bless, sweet dreams, and dream softly. You guys are totally, totally awesome. All links are in the description box. Please be safe out there. Good night, everybody. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for coming and keeping me company.